Hello, I'm Miss Tracy, Program Specialist at the Virginia Beach Public Libraries, and this video is part of our Camp Evergreen series, which is about making cool stuff, earning badges, and discovering new skills. Today, I'm going to show you how to make marshmallow treats, and also give you a few suggestions on ways to change it up. So, what's great about marshmallow treats? They're quick, inexpensive, simple, just a few ingredients, and they're really yummy. Basically, it's a no-bake dessert bar. So, whether you're an experienced cook, learning to get some new suggestions, or someone new to cooking and looking to learn some basic skills, marshmallow treats are tasty and really easy to customize. So, the basic recipe can be found easily online. Definitely check out this website, where this one kitchen actually tested out different ratios of the ingredients to the basic recipe to find the best tasting combination. Another thing to like about marshmallow treats is they're so versatile. You can go with like just add-ins to simple swaps. And today we're actually going to add a twist to the basic recipe by adding sandwich cookies for a popular flavor combination, cookies and cream. All right, so let's get started. The link to the recipe can be found in the description. Made some slight changes to it, but pretty much the same. Have these equipment ready and the ingredients ready so we can move from one step to the next. Okay, so we're gonna be using a stovetop burner. You're gonna need a pot for that, pot holder, a wooden or silicone spatula, measuring cup, butter knife, mixing bowl, 8x8 pan, some nonstick spray or parchment paper, bag, and then something to crush the cookies with. You can either use a rolling pin or the flat of a meat tenderizer. Here are the ingredients you're gonna need. Okay, we're gonna start off with 5 tablespoons of salted butter, 8 cups of mini marshmallows, 5 cups of crispy rice cereal, 16 sandwich cookies, and we're sticking with the regular flavor for the recipe, but definitely have fun trying out some of the different seasonal flavors out there. And just for a little bit of fun, you can also have some frosting and more sandwich cookies to put on top. Okay, so I've already washed my hands, so first step here, we're gonna go ahead and get these cookies crushed. Get them in the bag. Okay, I'm going to be using the rolling pin here. Right, in the mixing bowl, we're going to mix together the cereal and the crushed cookies. Just give them a good stir, get them all mixed together. Okay, and then cover the pan with parchment paper. We just want to leave some enough to hang over the side to serve as handles to lift the bars out. This is also to prevent the marshmallow treats from sticking to the pan. Okay, we're going to melt the butter over low heat. The pot is going to get hot, so definitely use the pot holder to hold the pot when you need to. Okay, once the butter is all melted, I'm going to add the marshmallows in. And then we're going to stir this until it gets all melted and gooey. Okay, then we're going to add that melted marshmallow to the cereal. Okay, and we're just going to stir it and coat all that cereal with it. Okay, now we're going to pour it into the pan. Look at that. Okay, and then we're gonna just press gently, flatten it out. And some fun options for decorating to add a little pizzazz. We can melt some of the frosting here until it gets all runny and just drizzle it on. And then crush some more cookies to put on top for a stronger cookies and cream taste. There's some of that crushed cookie. And then I got some melted drizzle. All right, now we're gonna let the pan sit at room temperature and cool for about 30 minutes. Just long enough for us to clean up, right? Doesn't this look scrumptious? I hope you enjoyed trying out this recipe and learning some new suggestions for taking it beyond the basic. Hopefully this will encourage you to try out some new variations. You can definitely browse online to find some new recipes or even get creative with your favorite ingredients. And if you notice that I do say favorite a lot, it's because you might as well try some new combinations with something you already like. Okay, so if you like the add-ins with the sandwich cookies, maybe try chocolate chip cookie or your favorite cookie. Maybe some bacon chips are your favorite candy. Maybe just swap out the cereal entirely for a cocoa flavor one, or a colorful fruity one, crunchy cinnamon one, or just your favorite cereal. And then maybe spruce up the marshmallow with baking spices, flavored extracts, instant pudding mix, food coloring, and maybe some your favorite nut butter. We hope you enjoyed learning to make cookies and cream marshmallow treats and found some new suggestions. Be sure to tag us on social media and show us what you made. Hit the like and subscribe buttons for more content from BBPL to keep your mind evergreen. Thank you for watching. Bye.